What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Monday. Don't judge me by the mess behind me. I switched to Airbnbs on the weekend. Still unpacking. So we're going to go over our friend Gala games. Currently we're sitting at 0.020. We're up 7.5 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 676 million. 24-hour volume 79 million. So if we hop into the charts, as you can see, we have a beautiful 3 waves up, and looks like we're pulling back in the wave 4. We have a double top, so I would expect us to bounce in between 0.022073. Might come a little bit lower than that to either the 38.2 or the 50%. 0.01893 is the maximum retracement, and then bounce back to the upside in the wave 5. As you can see, we've had a beautiful breakout of this absolutely, let me pop it over to the daily, falling wedge pattern from that high there at about 8 cents. So if we pop over to our next chart, we are just pushing up into the 55 EMA on the daily. So what I think is going to happen here, you're going to come up and put in that wave 5. Then you're going to put in a right shoulder, as you can see, left shoulder head, right shoulder, before continuation back up to that next resistance at about 3 cents. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. Keep it simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. In the short term, you can look for a bounce in between 0.01893 and 0.02073. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include, my daily crypto analysis for many projects, including Solana, Turbo, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Gala Games having a little bit of lag here. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Not only do you get my crypto analysis, but you also get my Forex signals. Wow, this is slow. We're already up almost 50% on the month, which means if you have a $100,000 trading account, that's $50,000 that you would have made. If you have a $10,000 trading account, you're risking 2%. That's $5,000 in a month, guys. We've been crushing it. As well as I have the Forex broker. It's very easy to set up and get started. All links down below. Just sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including North America, for trading crypto. 10% back on every single one of your fees. Once you sign up, send me an email. You can deposit $10 into your crypto account. $100 doesn't matter. Send me an email and I will give you the link so you can join the Discord completely for free. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.